Hi everyone, my name is Shreshthi and I work as a lead M&M in Network Operations and Aviation Industry at L3Harris Technologies. I recently completed an executive program from IIM Indore, and this program has equipped me with knowledge essentials to get to know that how to get through that business dynamics for the today's real world scenarios. The curriculum has provided me an enriching experience knowing the general management principles like as strategies, effective leadership qualities, and that are directly applicable to my role in my professional journey. So the experience with faculties were very amazing as the engagement sessions with faculties, the in-house discussion, meeting my fellow participants in our campus immersion program was very engaging, and we have learned a lot in this whole program, and I am eagerly anticipating the opportunities that I'll be getting in my future for further elevation of my career growth. And I would like to thank IIM Indore for providing me such opportunity to work on me and grow professionally.